Hello everyone! In this video, let's really fast practice chain rule twice. So, can you differentiate the function that looks like this? Parentheses 9 plus cosine squared x all raised to the 15th power. So first, it's not very obvious that chain rule will be used twice here. Originally, I just see there is a 1 inside function, 9 plus cosine squared, it's raised to the 15th power. So it's the trigonometric function plus 9 inside of the polynomial. However, cosine squared itself is a chain rule as well. You might see it this way. Then, if you rewrite it this way, it will be 9 plus cosine x everything squared and everything to the 15th power. Then you have a very inside function cosine, which is squared, then 9 is added, and this is the inside function of the polynomial raised to the 15th power. So let's very quickly differentiate that step by step. First, I see the blue color. That's some kind of function raised to the 15th power. I know how to differentiate that. 15 goes down, some kind of function raised to the 14th power. Don't forget to copy that something. Don't touch it yet, because it's still inside. You have no rights to touch it first. Now chain rule happens first time. Now you have rights to look inside and differentiate whatever is happening inside. Well, the function inside is 9 plus cosine squared. Derivative of 9 is 0 plus, what is derivative of cosine squared? If you see it this way, cosine squared, then you see it as something squared. So it will be 2 goes down, cosine x to the first power, right? And then right here, or right now, you do times, so it's chain rule inside of the chain rule, times the derivative of the function inside. The function inside is cosine. Derivative of cosine is minus sine x. Close the parentheses and I'll look at the result carefully. 15, 9 plus cosine squared x to the 14, then you will have minus, that's because of this minus, I can take it in front, 2 cosine x and sine x, and that is the answer. Derivative of the function where chain rule is hidden inside of another chain rule. So chain rule here is basically nested several times. Carefully look at this and practice yourself again to make sure you understand what just happened and where this sine popped out. It popped out from differentiating the cosine, which was inside of the square function. That's why it showed up. Hopefully that was helpful. See you next time.